Hey, good afternoon, guys. It's Isaiah with Luxury Home Contractors. Our client name is Domingo Rafael. Claim number is 1151X648P. Address is 162 Cross Street. This is a video attempt to repair. Go ahead. We'll be taking out this shingle right here. Okay, go ahead, take it apart. Y'all can tell these shingles are brittle. Me using this tool, sorry, the shingle's not strong enough. It's not good enough. Just went right through. Yeah. Watch from that. I'm letting go get the other shingle. As you can tell, there's a clear difference in color here. I mean, not almost night and day difference. Okay, let's go ahead and put the shingle in. Okay, now I do want to point out, I will be using the snake tool, usually recommended by insurance, to do the repair. Do that now. Going at an angle. As you can see, what we want is it to go on a flat surface, but this tool has to be placed down like this, with it being on the flat right here, which causes the nail to go on an angle sometimes. But guys, one more shot with another nail. Oh, as you can tell, just me having to do that, it's already causing damage, because I do gotta place it right here. You can see the damage as well right here, where I've striked, just to have this nail put in. Oh, let me give it a third shot with the snake tool. See, that is clearly not going in. It's going in at an angle. And usually leaves the nails faulty. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and try it with the hammer. Now I do want to point out that me having to use the hammer, I gotta push the shingle bit back so I won't strike the shingle, and I'll have enough clearance so I won't damage anything else. Rough a bit. Right around right there. Yeah. Under right there. Make sure this is placed correctly. Okay. Now, this one's already very bad. Let's just see what we can do with this one. Try to leave minimal damage. Okay, now as you can clearly see, damage is all here. It's damage right here just because me trying to using the hammer. We clearly saw using the snake tool was making the nails go at an angle, as well as damaging the spot that I have already pointed out because the impact point. Using the hammer, you can see the streak right here, right there. Now that is a fell. You can see them right here as well. Moving up here, you can see the line as well. That's a fell. As well as right here. This one, well, this shingle was already damaged, so it was already moving at an angle. But still causing slightly a bit more damage right there. This is an attempt to repair, but as you can clearly see, this is a failed attempt.